Now here also we divide by 2 both sides. Divide by 2 both sides. By 2 by 2. So you can write this like this. A by 2 plus B plus C by 2. Here 2 1 2, 2 9 18, 0. So 90 degrees. You can see after A by 2 plus A plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So we need only this B plus C by 2 here. There is B plus C by 2. So now B plus C by 2 is equal to A by 2 here plus A by 2. If you send to right side, 90 minus A by 2. So 90 degrees minus A by 2. So now we should apply sine both sides. Sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 degrees minus A by 2. So sine B plus C by 2 already given in the problem left hand side. So you can see here 90 sine 90 minus A by